Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get potato salad in Pokémon Scarlet and Violet. Making sandwiches is a fun and beneficial activity in the Paldea region, providing your Pokémon with temporary boosts. The potato salad sandwich is a simple yet effective recipe that can aid you on your journey. Let's go through the steps to prepare this tasty treat and unlock its powers. To begin, you will need to gather 4 key ingredients. You'll need 1 serving of potato salad, 1 serving of cucumber, 1 serving of red bell pepper, and 1 serving of mayonnaise. These items can be purchased from various shops across the Paldea region, such as Delicioso or Sure Cans. Stocking up on these ingredients is the first step to a successful sandwich. Once you have your ingredients, find a suitable spot to set up a picnic. Interact with your picnic table and select the Make a Sandwich option. You will then be presented with your bread and a selection of ingredients. Carefully place the potato salad, cucumber, red bell pepper, and mayonnaise onto the bread, ensuring nothing falls off. Precision is key for a perfect sandwich. After successfully crafting your potato salad sandwich, you and your Pokémon will enjoy its beneficial meal effects. This particular sandwich grants you encounter power for Steel-type Pokémon at level 1, making them appear more frequently. You also receive teensy power for Bug-type Pokémon at level 1, increasing your chances of finding smaller ones. Finally, it provides catching power for Ghost-type Pokémon at level 1, making them easier to capture. Enjoy your meal!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.